Hello guys, you're welcome to the Storyteller TV again. Thank you for always watching the Storyteller TV. Guess what guys, we are now on 1000 subscribers. Whoop, 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 whoop. Thank you for everybody that has subscribed to the channel. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So quick one guys. So as a filmmaker, I constantly try to research and dig deep by reading and studying some old films, especially Nollywood films, because that's where I work majorly right now. So in my research, I've been looking at some old Yoruba movies, some old Nollywood movies, both English and Yoruba. And there's a saying that if you really want to know where you are heading towards, you need to know where you are coming from. And I felt the need for me to go back to the roots, to the basis of how films were made in Nigeria, especially from the Yoruba industry. What are those things that they did right that made us really fall in love with their productions? I grew up watching a lot of Yoruba movies, from the Wemimo films to the all of them, the Olasco and the rest of them. And so I find some of those films inspiring and interesting, and I think I should share them with you. I think you'll find them interesting too. So I am creating some old Yoruba classic movies on this channel. I hope you will like them. I hope you enjoy them. So I'll drop them one after the other for us to revisit them, revisit the whole Nollywood, how films were made as that. So I'm going from 2003 downward, and if possible maybe we move to like 2005, so before the advent of the new guys that moved the industry to another level. So we go back in time to see when story was still organic, when story was king, when story was the major thing. It wasn't about the glamour, it was just about, let us tell original stories about people to the world. I know there's something one of my mentors, Tunde Kilani, used to say, that our ticket to the global stage is our culture. That is, we need to do what is ours. We need to look at our own industry, our own story, tell our own story. Don't try to be American, don't try to be European. Just tell the African story the way it should be as organic as possible. And then with this, our own traditional way, our own semi-local way, that is what will take us to the international stage. That is what we wow the Western world, the Europeans, the Chinese, everybody. Look at how India did not change their storytelling style. They stick with what they were doing. Of course, there was improvement in quality and aesthetics, but then you will still watch a typical Indian film and you will know this is Indians making their films. They are not trying to speak like Americans. They are speaking, even their English is still with their mother tongue. And you watch Japanese films, the same thing, Korean films and everything. So this is what Tunde Kilani meant by our traditional, our culture is our ticket to the global stage. So guys, journey with me as I go back in time, to look at these old Nollywood films and try to see how we can learn from them, from the storytelling. And in fact, I believe this experience will even make us understand how far and how fast Nollywood has come under a short time, within a very short time. It took Hollywood about 100 years to get to where they are now. Nollywood is barely 20 something years, and look at the changes from living in bondage, from Adelov film, from Obatogunde film, till the recent Ebony Life into the Film One productions and everything. So guys, I hope you are going to have a fantastic experience watching these old Nollywood films together. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, ensure you subscribe. Click the subscribe button and subscribe to the Storyteller TV. I love you, and don't forget the Storyteller TV original films will be showing on the channel very soon. I promise you are going to enjoy them. For those of you that have seen Knock Down the movie on Yoruba the YouTube channel, thank you for watching it. I'm sure you enjoyed it. Don't worry, Yawa is coming. What did I say? Yawa is coming. Yawa go gas. Thank you. Until I come your way again. I love you. I made my humble self. Sheung, the storyteller. Love you.